first tutorial for Bop-A-Lu-Bop. Okay, so the first steps for Bop-A-Lu-Bop is just gonna keep repeating. So we're gonna go Bop-A-Lu-Bop, kickball change, kickball change. So that's gonna be like Bop-A-Lu-Bop, kickball change, kickball change. So it's gonna sound like Bop-A-Lu-Bop, bop, bop. Awesome. Okay, and the second Bop-A-Lu-Bop, we're gonna go Bop-A-Lu-Bop, kickball change, kickball change. So it's just gonna be Bop-A-Lu-Bop, bop, bop, Bop-A-Lu-Bop, bop, bop. Awesome. And then for the final Bop-A-Lu-Bop, it's gonna go back to the beginning. So Bop-A-Lu-Bop, bop. But this time it's different. It's like dance party, rock and roll is here to stay. So we're gonna stop on dance party. We're gonna go dance party, rock and roll is here to stay. Awesome. So this is like a little guitar movement. So it's gonna be, let's just do the third Bop-A-Lu-Bop. Bop-A-Lu-Bop. Oh wait, Bop-A-Lu-Bop, dance, party, rock and roll is here to stay. Awesome. Since this repeats, let's do it with the music.
So the next line is, all the cats and the chicks gonna get their kicks tonight.
Okay, so you're just gonna go right, left, behind, step, right, left, behind, step. And then tonight, it's just tonight. Got it? So it's all the cats and the chicks gonna get their kicks tonight. Awesome. So let's see it from behind. So, all the cats and the chicks gonna get their kicks tonight.
So the next line is, gonna rock and roll till next December. Gonna be a party to remember.
So you're just repeating it. Let's do it with the music. Rock and roll is here to stay. All the cats and the chicks gonna get their kicks tonight. Gonna rock and roll till next December. Gonna be a party to remember. Okay, so the next part is a chant section. And so we're just gonna start them off with little like step touches, like, well, sachets kind of. Let's do it with the music just to see, and then we're gonna do the chant part with the hand jive. So I'll teach you that later. So here we go. This part. So now let's break down the hand jive. Hit twice, clap twice, over, over. Fist, 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 back, 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 back. And then you just keep going. Awesome. The next section that we're gonna do is some parts are singing Bop-A-Lu-Bop and some are chanting. So if you are one of the ones who sings Bop-A-Lu-Bop, you're just gonna repeat the choreography. And if you're the two who are chanting, you are just gonna do the hand jive. So that will make sense. And Miss Knights, if you wanna say you're one, you're two, maybe that would work out, or every odd person. Okay, so let's now do the ending, and I'm gonna demonstrate it exactly how it will look on stage, so your back is facing the audience. Awesome. So for the last two little Bop-A-Lus where you're looking back towards the audience, you're just gonna walk. Bop-A-Lu, Bop-A-Lu, and then 3-step turns. So 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna say Bop-A-Lu-Bop and hit a pose. Any pose you want. It could be like down here, it could be down here, anywhere.